Вон он. Где?
Ого.
О, офигеть.
Мне страшно. Мама.
Он с ломом упал.
Это хорошо, что он по другому пути вообще поехал?
Там людей нету.
Да.
Ну, вообще-то есть. Два человека.
In the Volgograd region in Russia, a freight train derailed and several tanks caught fire. Russia said that this was due to sabotage, while Ukrainian channels claimed the train was attacked by UAVs. 9 carriages of a Russian freight train have been derailed. A diesel fuel tank and a lumber car caught fire. First, it was reported that the reason for the train derailment was interference by outsiders in the work of the railway. However, Russian telegram channels also claim that the interference meant a drone attack.
Сгоревшие. И пожарники тут и все. Ой, один вообще вагон разворотило. Он еще поперек пути валяется. Хорошо они.
Вон он. Где?
Ого.
О,
Мне
офигеть.
страшно. Мама.
Он с ломом упал.
Это хорошо, что он по другому пути вообще поехал?
Там людей нету.
Да.
Ну, вообще-то есть. Два человека.
The stock market is unpredictable. Economic turmoil is on the rise. But gold always shines as a safe haven. Meet Bishop Gold Group, America's trusted precious metals dealer, which offers a refuge from financial uncertainty. Protect your retirement from the looming threats of taxes and penalties by investing in gold. It's time to safeguard your wealth by converting stocks and retirement funds into gold. Unlike volatile digital assets, holding physical gold puts security directly in your hands. Bishop Gold Group has guided thousands in securing their retirement with the stability of precious metals. Mention this ad and receive up to $10,000 in free silver with a qualified purchase. Don't wait for the next market crash. Call Bishop Gold Group today. Secure your wealth with Bishop Gold Group. Call now.
Purges in Russia. Lieutenant General Yuri Kuznetsov, chief of the main personnel directorate of the Ministry of Defense, was dragged out of bed from his own house in the middle of the night by military counterintelligence officers wearing balaclavas. Sounds like something special is brewing. Belousov, who is replacing Shoigu, will pose a greater threat to Ukraine, but his nomination also serves as a reminder of Russia's limited resources. Analysis by Joni Askola. Since 1991, Shoigu has served as a minister and is a loyalist and friend of Putin. His dismissal would not occur without a valid reason, and in this case, it reflects Russia's recognition of the inefficiency of its Ministry of Defense. Belousov's appointment demonstrates that Russia's resources are not limitless, and underscores the need for Russia to conduct an audit of its MOD and improve its efficiency if it intends to endure the consequences of the failed invasion that it initiated. Andrei Belousov differs from Shoigu in background. Trained as a Soviet economist, Belousov has not had military experience and has instead advised Putin on economic matters in various civilian roles. Belousov will conduct an audit of the entire financial economic bloc of the Defense Ministry, shared Russian war reporter Yuri Kotenok on the social media app Telegram. He is more than well versed in this, a professional economist of the top level and a statist. Belousov won't pretend to lead the army like a general with all these medals. He's a workaholic. He's a technocrat. He's very honest. And Putin knows him very well, the person added, according to FT. Belousov is known for his diligent work ethic, and unlike Shoigu, he won't amass military medals at a rate surpassing the number of days he has served in the army. Gerasimov will remain in his current role for now. It will be intriguing to observe whether Belousov appoints someone else in the future. The extent of improvement this will bring for Russia remains to be seen. Addressing the corruption and inefficiencies within the Russian MOD is a significant challenge, and there is no guarantee of Belousov's success, making the situation a cause for concern. And information from Osechkin's sources on the collapse of Russian Defense Ministry. Deputy Defense Ministers Tsalikov and Krivoruchko backdated their resignation letters to before May 9th, despite signing the letters on May 13th. Their subordinate Lotut Gen Kuznetsov's house was raided, and he was taken out of his bed by force at around 5:30 a.m. on May 14th. His wife was also taken away. Kuznetsov is accused of crimes directly linked to Deputy Defense Ministers Tsalikov and Ivanov. Ivanov has already been under arrest. On May 12th, investigations opened into FSB military counterintelligence departments whose jobs were to police the MOD. Arrests of many co-conspirators in the FSB are expected. Osechkin has many sources at the MOD, including some who already defected to the West and managed to take with them enormous amounts of information. They are familiar with these counterintelligence officers who enabled the mass MOD corruption, and they call them contricks. Osechkin views the demonstrative raid in the middle of night of Latgen Kuznetsov by FSB military counterintelligence to be an attempt to demonstrate their competence and to distract from their complicity. Russia is waging a hybrid war against Poland with Lukashenko's hands. The migration crisis is escalating. More than 140 illegal migrants from Africa, Asia, and the Middle East tried to break through from Belarus to Poland. It happened in the evening on May 10th. Belarusian border guards did not prevent them. The migrants behaved aggressively and threw branches and stones in the direction of Polish border guards and military. Over the last 3 days, 824 migrants tried to illegally enter Poland from Belarus.
Don't forget to mention this ad and receive up to $10,000 in free silver with a qualified purchase. Don't wait for the next market crash. Call Bishop Gold Group today. The link is in the description.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.